Hey guys, my name is Manish Kumar. I'm working with IT industry for last 7+ years now. I work in a company called iCertis. I work as an associate architect there. Today I brought you an interesting website which is azure.microsoft.com. Obviously, you might know about this, but I am basically focusing about one of the aspect that how to keep yourself updated with any technology, suppose whether it is Azure or even if we call a parent company name like Microsoft. Even we don't know that in how many areas Microsoft is working on right now. So they have their hardware, their software, their operating system, their cloud computing system, their blockchain. They're working on any number of things. But how to keep yourself updated? Even I'm not focusing like we only know about what Microsoft is doing. I mean to say that what where technology is going right now. I mean where it is leading us. To know about today, I'm only focusing about this azure.microsoft.com. And if we see, if you want to be updated for any technology, we just what we usually do, we go on the Google or Bing, we just find out what is new in C sharp, what is new in Azure, or something like that. We do type it, but there must be a medium from that we could receive a notification that okay, these things are going on, or this thing happened in last couple of months, or in couple of weeks. So it is just like what's it called, the brief description of everything so that we could know. So now, I just received an email from azure.microsoft.com. In my email, I just open it as view as web page, and so it is here right now. In another tab, I have Outlook open there. That is my Hotmail. Now, here I have just opened the newsletter which I have received. You can see here the sign up is there. Uh, it says the Microsoft Source Newsletter, issue 19. See the latest ideas and projects from the global developer community. If someone forwarded you this newsletter, you want to receive future issues, sign up. Fine. Now resources, it says the resources, explore guidance, resources, and solutions that enable developer teams to code, collaborate, and build from anywhere, making your organization more resilient in the face of change. So here one of the tab is for features. Then what is new specifically in number of different aspects, like using RTO and Azure to help with household cores, code storage, accessibility insights, virtual demo, how to develop serverless apps with GitHub code spaces, and now exploring the new C Sharp 9 language features. Another tab says events. What all meetup or virtual events happening around the world, basically. And I hope this is all about virtual events only. We'll see. We'll we'll click a few of them. Now the learning in the actually the learning tab really excites me because it see, I mean, if you want to if we really know about something like uh, see something you really want to know, like C sharp, you always know that in the future another version of C sharp will come up and you need to know about it, so you can already expect it that another version will come up, and you know that another version will come up and you have to go through that, right? It is in it might be in your list, but learning is one of the aspect you don't even know that what will come up and what corner is left out from you. Like, see, top 5 security items to consider before pushing to production. See, everyone knows there are things that has to be done before your code goes to production. But it just in the learning, I just saw that, and I'll just open it, right? I just open it here and I'll see what it says. So it gives me an e-learning site, and it gives me two models of sorry, models of videos like introduction, Azure Security Center, inputs and outputs. Like, see, it has a learning objective. Use Azure Security Center, verify your application's inputs and outputs. You know what it means. It is what is coming in, what is going out from your system. Store your secrets into Key Vault. Key Vault is one of the feature of Azure, where you can store your uh, important keys and their values. Ensure you are using the latest version of framework and its security features, and validate that your program dependency and libraries are safe to use. So, in the in this what's it called, in this curriculum, it will go take me through all these topics, and I hope it must be useful. I have a agenda to clear it in this. I mean, go through this all the learnings. Okay, now see the another one. Learn how to customize and extend Microsoft Teams. That is an interesting one. How to customize Microsoft Teams. Get certified in Microsoft Azure AI fundamentals. So, okay, now the events. Let's go to one of the event. I go with the first one. It will tell me about Kubernetes. Kubernetes 101 part 1. So I believe this have past event. Okay. Friday, December 4. Okay. On December 4, it has already passed. So we have this, the TTNs is there. What are they covering? Speaker details are there. Right. Twitter, LinkedIn, attendee, it already shows us the attendees, 201 people, I believe, attended. And comments, please share me the recording. So I believe if you have time, or you should spare some time in this. They see another events are already there on build your CI/CD pipelines with Jenkins and Tecton, Azure Kubernetes Day, Jan 30. These are online events. I see these are free events. You can always plans to join this. Hey, this is on a site called Meetup. Okay, just go out previous page. Now see the first one, the second one. It says what is new. Okay, exploring the new C#9 language features. Yeah. Okay, see, we have a video on Cloud9. Sorry, we have a video on Channel 9, and Channel 9 is Channel 9 is one of the channels from Amazon, where you have a number of videos about different topics. See, one of the topic is the C#9 language features, which has come up, and they usually one of the people interview and one people uh, tell us about the topic. So the people are here is which is Rich Lander and Jared Persons, I believe. I obviously don't know these people. There must be some renowned people. Like, okay, now let's go back to a previous page. Okay, this first tab says about data rules in Moon mission. This also seems interesting. Moon mission, and I mean, we already know that for any mission, especially these missions like is going to space, going to moon, the uh, data plays an important role. Or I believe any physical activity. I mean, physical activity means that when a rocket is going up, or even we we are, I mean, in the defense, even a weapon is built, the data really plays a crucial role, because whenever a gun fires, then it has to calculate everything, and like speed of the wind, how much, I mean, how what is the temperature, and everything has to be calculated and based on that, these weapons are built. So data really plays an important role. And this specific event where people are going move on moon, so which is completely uncovered from a human being. So really, it plays important role. So we'll just read a few headlines here. The description: completing a successful moon mission does not only involve getting to the moon, but also returning safely to Earth. That is right. Ideally, with some rocks to learn from. John joined Dr. G as she draws inspiration from the new Netflix original Over the Moon and the ingenuity of the NASA Apollo missions to analyze and clean data to predict how much moon rock astronauts might be able to bring back as part of the Artemis program in 2024. Oh, nice. I hope there must be some reference with the moon mission here. So look at that later on. Okay. Okay. So I believe you must have found this newsletter important. So I'll just take you through how can you sign up with this. Once we sign up, clicked on sign up, it brought me somewhere, but how to find this page on azure.microsoft.com. So I'll also go through with that. Here I have just opened azure.microsoft.com. You just need to write here newsletter. It will bring you some search results, and the first uh, link that you see, subscribe to the Microsoft.source newsletter web. Just click on that. Okay, see, we got on the same page. It just shows us the format. Below is a sample of the Microsoft.source newsletter. See, they have given some description. Get the latest articles, documentation, events from Microsoft.source. The curated monthly developer community newsletter learn about new technologies and find opportunities to connect with other developers online and locally. Stay in the forefront and rapid in involving technologies and with resources that are relevant to your field, location, and areas of interest, including articles, GitHub repositories, and how-to guides. Okay, you just have to enter first name, email, now, country region, and just accept the terms and condition, privacy statement, and just submit. They will start sending you the newsletter monthly. Uh, I hope you guys find this important, and I hope you'll subscribe for this. Thank you.